what's up guys, my name is Matt and today I'm going to be bringing you an unboxing of a mystery box from the company Talentless, and without further ado, let's get right into the video. So I've actually never done a mystery box, or I think even really unboxing on this channel. You know, now I'm thinking about it, I actually think I did one on a steam cleaner. Yeah, it was just a steam cleaner. This one will be a lot more exciting. This one is a mystery box from Talentless. Everything in here is from that company. Talentless is a company that was started by Scott Disick and kind of is a play on people thinking that he is talentless.
It's called Talentless.
What?
Talentless. It's a play on the fact that everybody has always said everybody that's in like the reality business have no talent.
From everything I've read about Talentless, it's a really high quality brand. Basically just a bunch of high quality materials created well with good quality cotton. I mean, I don't know what else to say. So without saying that, let's get right into this unboxing. I'm just gonna start opening this up. My knife. And it'll actually be interesting to see what's included in this because this is the a little bit more expensive one. So going right into it, see Talentless right here. So, without further ado, I don't know if this is the best decision so far to do this. We have some fluorescent green sweatpants. I don't really know what I'm gonna wear these with. This isn't good. I think I already regret this decision because I don't want to be looking like Billie Eilish all the time. This is a very bright green pair of sweatpants, and the next thing I'm already seeing is another thing that looks pretty like it. Oh man. Yeah, neon green. What's the first item? Second item up is you know, I already get comments about being gay. I don't need another one about the pink sweatpants. Yeah, this is going to someone else, and this is I'm already regretting doing this. This is a pink pair of sweatpants. Yeah, ooh, this is kind of cool. It has a little pocket on the inside. So, you know, for all the times I'm actually gonna wear these, which is probably gonna be never, you know, get a pocket for your loose change or whatever. That's actually a pretty nice feature, you know. Probably never gonna wear these, or I'd probably give them to somebody who will wear them. Probably just a Christmas gift or something, but so far, not off to the best start. Alright. I swear, if this is only... I'm going to leave this one last, because I think this one I'm going to like the most. We have another... I freaking swear, dude. All this is like... Okay, this is a little bit better. This is a little bit better. This is kind of like a tie-dye... I don't know if you guys can tell. This is still a yellow, still freaking neon. I don't wear too much neon. I don't know how many times I'll wear this, but it is nice to have. This is another Talentless hoodie. This is like, I don't know, I think this will fit more like true to size rather than oversized, which is the only thing I was kind of worried about. I kind of wanted a little bit more oversized, but I didn't really want to go like too big in sizes because then all the pants would fit really big. But now looking at it, I'm like, maybe I should have just done it because maybe I wouldn't have gotten pink and neon green sweatpants that I'll probably never wear. But anyways, this is like a weird, I don't know, this is like a really cool wash. Like, you know, this is an actual really high quality hoodie. I don't know what to say. The hoodie's really nice. I don't know how often I'll wear a yellow hoodie, but you know, kind of nice to have. Yeah, made in Mexico. Pretty much all their stuff, I think, for the most part, is made in Mexico. Yeah, another hoodie, so it's another item. And then I think we have 2 more items. Only 5 items in this box so far. This is, oh, I kind of like this one. I don't know how often I'd wear this one too, but you know, just like a tie-dye-ish shirt. This is pretty cool actually. Nothing too crazy here. I don't know what to say. Just a cool tie-dye shirt. Yeah, I don't know if I'd wear this or not, but alright, this is the piece that I saw and I think I'm the most hyped for. So I think I almost bought this and I decided against it. Oh my goodness. And I think I'm happy I held off on it. This is probably the thing I'd wear the most from this whole entire thing. Oh my goodness. So this is like another one of those like washed, like pigment washed hoodies. This is extremely nice. It is a fleece inside, which is pretty nice. I love that there's no buttonholes, which is kind of like on this Daniel Patrick one I'm wearing right now. It just has like 2 holes with no drawstring. I kind of like that a bit. Hoodie though feels extremely soft. It does feature a slightly different lining on the inside than the outside. Like on the outside it's a little bit more of that rougher texture, but on the inside, like where your hair would be, it's actually really soft. Like not like super duper soft, like oh my god this is like silk, but just like a nice quality fabric. Let me see, I'm actually curious. I want to try this on right now. So this is actually a little bit like drop shoulders right here. It's a little bit hard to tell, but then it's like a little bit more fitted through the body, which I think is pretty nice for the hoodie. This is definitely more of an everyday hoodie, but this wash on here is actually insane. You know, everything else in here, it's like, I don't know how often I would wear it, but just to go over the box again, we have this hoodie in this yellow, almost like same kind of wash as this, but definitely a little bit different. It doesn't have that same fabric on the inside of this hoodie as well. It's just the same fabric all the way out. Some of them we have like these that are like orange sherbet. Basically like, I don't know when I'm ever gonna wear these. And then we also have like a normal kind of like t-shirt here. Overall, probably wouldn't do this again, but overall I think decent. If you guys are interested in the box and were hesitant on it, might be a better idea to just pick up the items by themselves that you want instead of going for the mystery box. Although the mystery box is kind of fun not knowing what the hell I was gonna get myself into, and how I got myself into having pink and neon green sweatpants. Newly married and now I'm gonna be newly killed. Anyways, thank you so much for stopping by this video. If you guys are new here, please subscribe down below. You're gonna see a lot of videos like this, or anything related to fashion world at all. And like I end every single video here, please like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what you guys thought of this stupid video down below. And I will see you in the next video.